Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, base enclosure, battery, wireless module, USB board, subwoofer, fan, RJ45 door, system board, display panel assembly, display bezel, hinge covers, and bezel trim. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Important: ensure that the left display panel hinge is under the retention tab on the display enclosure. Replace the three 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure. The right display panel hinge is replaced in the same manner.